Guys, we are buying Nifty at the market, and this is the stop and the target for that. Now make sure you're keeping the stop a little free because it should not be very tight, because I don't see this is going very fast. So this will be the target for that. That might be revised. So I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, this is the next update in the trade. As you can see, we are moving in the direction, and now sometimes we get lucky, so we are actually replacing our stops to get lower risk on the trade, because we have specific rules and that rules has been executed. So this is the replaced stop and the target remains the same. Hey guys, as you can see, we are moving in this direction and we are break even on this trade. So hopefully we are hitting our target today itself. And I personally would be booking my full of the profits at the target. You guys can go for extension version of it because I see it going upside very easily. I just don't want to take more risk. That's the only reason I want to book my full of the profits. But you can follow the rules and you can decide whether you want to take the targets, whether with me or maybe extension levels. That's up to you. So I'll be updating you again once I see something. Hey guys, so we are so close to our target, but we need to pay attention on this level. So once this is broken, we have to take out of the trade, or else we are actually going more higher. So I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, as you can see, we are out of the trade. I booked my entire profits over there. Now you guys can continue if you want. I'll also send the message about it. You guys can continue the trade if you want to the extension level. That's up to you. I just said what I did in the trade. Now one thing I want to discuss over here about this level. This was our short target yesterday which we took. The thing I want to discuss over here, that is the power of a structure. Now did we know this way before that this move is coming? We also know the level, and that's why I sometimes say if it is 668.35, it has to be 668.35. Otherwise, what could have happened after that? That's the structure, that's the pattern. If you study them well enough, if you recognize them on time, you can make some good money out of the market. So anyways, another 50-60 points in our pocket. I'll see you again once I find any good trade. Thank you.